got my package today. I wonder what could be inside this box right here. Yeah. Well, take out the old handy dandy pocket knife. Let's cut this thing open. Oh, I know what that box is. This is right here. The seat. Put that off to the side. Audiopipe 1500. AP1500.1D. And the surprising part about this is, hold on, there's two of them. Oh, all this packaging. So I went out and bought two 15. Well, I ordered them. I ain't go out and bought them. I ordered two Audiopipe 1500s. I'm gonna put 1 amp on each sub. The unboxing of two Audiopipe 15s at the same time. Ain't nobody on YouTube did this one yet. Got the remote wire. I like this little remote wire. I'm probably going to use this one. Take out the one I got in there. Put this one in there. It should be the same exact thing. I'm not going to take it out the bag. It should be a fuse. It looks like it's a 0 gauge. 0 gauge wire to put in there. Put that off to the side. I know it's a crappy video. I'm all over the place. Take this one out. And I'm trying to do this all with one hand. There it is. Got the, looks like that's 4 gauge. Good thing I didn't get 0 gauge wire because it don't look like that will fit in there. It's 4 gauge right there. Got the power protect, remote, input, bridging, gains, subsonic, bass boost frequencies. I would take the other one out, but it's the same thing, so it's pointless to take the other one out. But they both came with a fuse, nice size fuse. Both came with remote wires. I got a separate battery, so I'm gonna be running 2 batteries, 2 Audiopipe 1500s, 2 DC level 4s, which they chilling up here, getting ready to get put in. They're ready to go. Yeah, Today been a busy day. Had FedEx come to the house 3 times today, delivering these beautiful amps right here, which came in one package, and a whole lot of baby stuff. So as you know, I got a little one on the way. So house is full of boxes right now. Alright, it's probably gonna be another week before the system is completely hooked up and I could do the first bass demo, so you're gonna have to bear with me. But Audiopipe 1500s, DC level 4 15s, 2 batteries, and the 03 Yukon.